In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create 3D text in Adobe Photoshop, so stick around. So once we've launched Adobe Photoshop, we want to go ahead and create a new document. And when you're inside of this tab, you want to make sure that this is 1920 by 1080, and you want to rename this to 3D text. Now from here, we can go to the T on the left and we can type out some text. So I'm going to type 3D text. And because this is white and the canvas is white, I'm just going to change the color of this to black. So now because this is quite small, we're just going to increase the font size and we'll center this up in the middle of the canvas. Now from here, you want to go to the 3D tab and select New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. Now the computer will take a second to generate your 3D text, but as soon as it's completed, you will be greeted by this awesome 3D layer. And from here, we can go ahead and we can adjust the position, the scale, the rotation. We can do whatever we like with this 3D text and place this wherever we like on the canvas. Now, if we look to the top of the canvas, we can see this white circle, and this is our light source. So if we press on this, we can bring up the light position. And if we pull down on this handle, you can see the shadows behind the text are moving. So now if we go over to the tab on the right and we select the 3D text layer, if we go up to presets, then you've got all of these different presets for our 3D layer. Now there's some really interesting presets here, but if none of these work for you, then you don't have to select one. Now moving on from the presets, we have the extrusion depth slider. And this is basically how deep you want your text to be. So go ahead and move the slider to wherever you feel happy. And now moving on, underneath that we have the color, and this is basically the color of your text. So you can select any color that you would like for the text. And if we go down to the 3D tab in the bottom right, if we select on the lights, we can go ahead and change the color of our light source. Now once you've selected a color for your light, you can go down to the Layers tab and we can convert the 3D text layer back into a 2D layer. This means that we can move it around and we can add other items onto the canvas and it will be treated as if this was a 2D layer. And that's the basics of how to create a 3D text layer in Adobe Photoshop. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, push that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.